channel. My name is Thebrownbarbiee, also known as THIS, or you could flip it the other way. And I'm here to bring you guys a wig review / watch me install it. You guys have been dying for me to do colored hair, and your girl done pulled through. Can you believe this wig was only $70? Baby, this synthetic, it's giving Scalpp. It is giving it all, okay? So if you want to see how I achieved this look in the whole process, as well as the information about the wig, it will also be in the description box. But if you want to see it in depth, please continue watching. Before you go, if you are not subscribed, I definitely need you to hit that subscribe button right away so you know when we get more looks like this. Because baby girl, it's giving what it need to give. Alright? And definitely hit that like button and rate the video. So let's get into it. Today I am bringing you Boss Lace First Class Hair by Bobbi Boss. This is hand knotted with a natural hairline. This is a synthetic unit, but they classify it as premium synthetic hair. It is in the color MLF 245 Daniella. This wig is a 13x4 frontal, which gives it deep parting space. It is also antibacterial, and the lace is transparent, which gives you a very melted and scalp effect. Now let's get into the look of this unit. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. They match very well. It does not look very synthetic-y. It looks very natural. It looks like it was dyed. It looked like it was dyed. Now that hairline is absolutely amazing. This wig is 100% sure beginner friendly. I want to make this clear. I did not pluck this wig at all. Now as for the length of this unit, I would say it's probably a 20, 22, 24, maybe 26. It does come pre-cut with layers, as you guys see. I 10 out of 10 recommend this unit. Now the lace was a little cloudy, but with foundation it made it melted on my skin. I'm so sorry y'all to be repetitive, but the lace and the plucking on this unit is impeccable for a synthetic unit. Now this unit does come with 3 clips, I believe, one on each end of the head and one for the back of the scalp. Now as you guys see, it may look a little wonky or a little funny how the orange is in the frontal, but I promise you when it's installed, it actually doesn't even matter. It really looks nice, very seamless effect. Now I am going to go on my True Contour palette just to get that color to get a little bit of a scalp effect, and I'm going to brush it on. Just going to cut the lace. And now this is very important for my deeper skin girls. I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy in Java, and I put that on the edge of the lace. Not all around it, the edge. This is going to leave a very melted and seamless install.
This one thing
So that LA Pro Girl Concealer and Toast actually did work for my part. So when I'm at the end, I'm going to retouch it up, you know, all that stuff. When I have baby hairs and stuff like that. Before we even get to the end, let me know your guys' thoughts on this wig. Do you think when the baby hairs get added and when the style is done and my makeup is done, it's about to be a look? Or you think it's about to be a flop? Let me know. You guys know this is a hair channel. So I'm so excited to bring you looks like this because baby, it is summer. We gotta be outside, we gotta be having fun, okay? And this is such an affordable look, 70 bucks, and you know you got the supplies at home. I don't want to leave you guys, but I gotta go do my makeup, okay? I got to go do my makeup, and we gonna let this simmer while we is doing the makeup. Alright y'all, so we are back. I changed into just this black bodysuit just so we have a little more, kind of a little fit to it. So baby, it is giving like I am absolutely in love with the hair. Right now I'm just fixing this baby hair. I did want to make a little more of like a dramatic or thicker baby hair just because I don't do that a lot, and I kind of feel like it's the name of the game. Like I want this to be a very cute, fun, flirty, very like I'm here, you need to listen look. And you know, I don't think you could do that without some baby hairs. Now I definitely should have showed you guys the hairline without baby hairs. The hairline without baby hairs, y'all, was giving what it needed to give. Like I was so surprised by this unit the whole time I was installing it. That's why you have seen me like, because it was just doing what it needed to do. Like seriously, like no lie, it did what it needed to do. So I don't know how y'all are feeling about this, but I feel like it is giving what it needs to give. I don't know why, for some reason I keep saying in my head like it's giving very SZA vibes, but I don't know why. Now this does get tangled very quickly, but an easy solution for that is just get some water and just really just wet it a little bit. Obviously when you're out in public you're not gonna be able to get water, but you know, just do what you can. I think this unit straightened will look really nice. I definitely will have another video of me straightening it, not more so of a tutorial. Probably would be like a get ready with me. So let me know what you guys think about this. I'm not gonna really turn around and show you how long it is because like y'all have already seen it. Hopefully you guys can see it goes pretty long. So it goes to like mid back. I have no words for this unit because I am absolutely in love, and I'm only praying. That's why I kind of found a little wary. Like I only pray it's giving what it's giving in person in the camera. Now the camera is making it look way brighter. Like I'm looking at my other mirror and I see it looks so much brighter. This is definitely more of a, if you have used like the Adore Me colors, Occasion Spice mixed with a little bit of that darker color, and this is definitely about, I wouldn't say a 4 brown. If there was like a 5, I would say that. So more like a chocolate brown. Let me know how you guys feel about this unit in the comments down below. I kind of like it more not with like a definite part. Like you definitely could wear this like slick back and do baby hairs. It looks good. Definitely can get a some middle part. Whoa, wait, the middle part done did something for a second there. Definitely some middle part action could give what it needs to give. The only thing that I hate is obviously being a deeper skin tone girl, the lace is very light, but I definitely made it work. But I cut this lace very straight thinking I was gonna cut more off, so therefore it's kind of a little bit of a cast. But if you see, like, I kind of covered it with baby hairs, like this side, you know, you don't really see much because I cut it correctly. So that was my fault. But you know, for my deeper skin tone girls, just use your foundation. And as for the part, as I told you guys before, that LA Pro Girl concealer and toes did work, but like what I came to realize, when you work with colored hair, you're not going to have the same color part as you would have with a jet black wig or even a 613. So it just gotta go with how it go. And you know, if anybody had a problem, I really can care less at this point, because I really love the way this looks. Like, let me know how you guys are feeling about this. I know it sounds like I'm like very uneasy, but like, I just hope it's looking good in the camera. This was my first bold color on this channel. I gave you guys what you wanted. People have been telling me do red, do orange, do more colors. Now I done gave y'all the colors. Now you better let me know if you like it, okay? So thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is THIS, also known as Thebrownbarbiee. And bye, guys.